So today we have my Boxycharm unboxing and I'm super excited because I've seen a little sneak peeks in here and I think it's a pretty good box. So I'm really excited to dive on in here and try all the products out. Today I'm going to do a little try on video for you guys so that I could use these products out and show you how they work. So I'm super excited to do that for you guys. And then one little special thing we're going to do today is I have another giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving away, if you can see inside here, are a whole bunch of ColourPop single shadows. A lot of these are ones that I absolutely love. And then I have a little magnetic palette to go with it. So if you guys want to enter to win the giveaway, I will have all the rules and the information in the description box below. Just click on the link in there to enter and then read all the rules and follow through with that. So yeah, I'm super excited to be giving those away. ColourPop single shadows are like my all-time favorite shadows, honestly. Just for me personally, I think they're really beginner friendly and they're really easy to work with and I just love them. So I bought some of my favorite shades. I put those in there, some new shades, and I just built you guys a little palette. And so yeah, I'm super excited for one of you guys to win that and share the love of ColourPop with me. So again, I'll have all the information and the rules linked down below. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you're notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the February Boxycharm, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription box. They send you makeup, skincare, hair care, all that fun stuff inside this box, and it comes with 4 to 5 full-size items every month. So I'm just going to open it on up. The theme this month is Afterglow, which I like because I have very dry skin, so the glowier the better for me. So it has all the information on the products and their retail value on the back. So I'm just going to grab this first thing that I'm seeing, which I'm honestly super excited about. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. So they have the original Bum Bum Boom Boom, I don't know what you want to call it, cream that they've sent in boxes in the past, and everybody raves over it. I like it. It's not my favorite smell. I don't like the way it wears on me, like how the scent wears on me, but it is really nice. I think we got this one in the past, which is like a teeny tiny one. So this one is actually a pretty decent size, but I still think this is like a mini size. This isn't the biggest size that you can get with these. So not necessarily full size, but still nice. And I heard this is supposed to smell like coconuts, and it does. See, now this one smells really nice. It's very like, it's more like jelly, if that makes sense. More like of a jelly consistency rather than like a super lotiony consistency, if that makes any sense at all. But it smells really good. It does smell just like coconuts. So if you like coconuts, I think you'll probably like this stuff. So this little guy retails for 20 bucks, which is quite a lot for a little thing. So it does have coconut oil in it too, which is actually really good for dry hands, dry skin in general. And it's supposed to hold up moisture for 72 hours. So it says the fragrance is coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. And I would agree with all that. It does smell super good. So I think I prefer this one over the original one. So I'm actually really happy I got this one. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. So if you watched my last Shop My Stash, you'll know that I actually just recently purchased this, and then I found out it was in a Boxycharm and I was like, I didn't have to buy it. But that's okay. I'll either throw it in a giveaway or I'll keep it as a backup because I think that I really like this. I've only tried it a couple times, but so far I really like it. It's a pore filling primer, but it's also really moisturizing, if that makes sense. And this retails for $18. I'm just gonna use mine in this video, and then, like I said, I'll either keep this as a backup or I'll throw it in a giveaway for some of you. The next thing I am pulling out, this is the Pretty Vulgar, wow. if I can talk today, that'd be nice. The Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee Bronzer. It's in the Bronze Mannequin, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It says it retails for 32 bucks. Pricey bronzer. It does look like a nice bronzer, so I'm actually really excited for this. It doesn't look too warm. I'm not super into like really, really warm bronzers, so this actually looks like something I'd be super into. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't tried too many things from Pretty Vulgar. We have gotten several things from them in the past Boxycharm boxes. There was a blush that we got that I didn't keep, and we got the little gel eyeliner, which actually is really nice. And we also got an eyeshadow palette that I passed on to his sister. So far I haven't been super impressed with Pretty Vulgar's stuff, but I'm excited to try this out and see how I like it. We got a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have tried this in the past, and when I first tried it, I did really, really like it. I haven't tried it in a really long time though. It retails for $24. I don't remember if this flakes or not. I can't remember, but I do remember really, really liking it when I first tried it. I'm excited to give it another go, give it another try, and refresh my memory to see if I like it as much as I did in the past. And the last thing we got, this is a Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. These retail for $24, and I have some of the Nude Sticks little eyeshadow sticks like this. I think that they're really nice for something that you just like want to throw on, blend into your crease and go. So this is what the color looks like. I'll do a little swatch here. It is super creamy, so it seems like it goes on really, really easy. So I'm excited to try this one out. So my total value for this month's box is $118, which I think is an awesome value considering I only paid 21 bucks for it. The one thing that I will say though is I've noticed ever since that they started doing the Boxy Luxe boxes, the value in these boxes have gone down a ton. We used to get like $150, $160 values in our boxes, and now it's like slowly going down. So I don't know if that's because of Boxy Luxe or what, but I will say even with it, you know, being a little bit of a lesser value than what we normally get, I'm actually really happy with this box. I think this is one of the better boxes, and I know that I'll get use out of all of this stuff, where in past boxes I've like just putting most stuff away for giveaways. This month I'm actually really impressed with. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start the try on portion of this video. I'm basically just going to point to stuff and put it on my face, kind of do a speed through so that this video isn't a billion years long. And so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, really quick, I just threw on my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. This was the first time that I tried it. I don't know if I liked it or not, which makes me really sad because everybody says it's really nice, but I feel like it makes my skin look dry. I'll have to keep messing around with it. Anyways, let's go ahead and try out our Pretty Vulgar bronzer. Okay, so this is the finished product. I just went in with some Too Faced Sunday Funday and some ColourPop Moony Gloss on my lips, and then ColourPop singles for like my transition shades and everything like that. I went in with the Hourglass Ambient Light for my highlight. So overall, I think I really enjoy the products that are in here. I feel like the bronzer is a little bit on the warmer side than what I normally go for, but it's not bad, and I feel like it blended out really nice. The nude sticks, I feel like these blend out super easy and really nice. Just throwing them all over the lid and blending them into the crease, it's like really easy to do that. They blend really easy, so I feel like I'll be getting quite a lot of use out of these. I love this color on my lids. I just think it looks really good. And then the mascara, I don't love it as much as I remember loving it. I feel like it's a very dry formula. Either that or mine's just dried out. I don't know. So it took a lot of building just to get to what it is right now. I just felt like a lot of product wasn't coming off on my lashes, so I sat there for like a good 5-10 minutes trying to build up both eyes. So that's the one thing. I do like that it doesn't clump easily at all. It really is good at separating your lashes. So that's one thing I really like about it. I just wish that it was a little bit more wet and didn't need so much building up. And then the No Problem Primer, I do really like this. I feel like a little goes a long way. It spreads really easily on your face. So you just need a little bit and then it just glides everywhere and it's really nice. And it, like I said, it's a very hydrating pore filling primer, which I really like. So yeah, there you go. This is all the products that I got in my Boxycharm on my face. Obviously, besides this, I can't really put this on my face, but I do really like this. So I think that this month's box was super awesome. I'm really excited for all the products that I got. I know that I'll get good use out of everything in this month's box, which is not common. You don't always get stuff that you're going to use in every single box. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm in the comments below. I want to know if you guys got anything different than me. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.